Hey frugal folks, in today's video we are going to 3D print this cup holder that's intended for the E90X series BMW cars, so like E90, E92, E93. If you have that little compartment on your center console, this will supposedly fit in it. We found a couple different options on printables.com and this one seems promising, so I'm going to go ahead and focus on this guy for the first little half of the video. You can see we've got a few different size options for this guy. We've got the 57 millimeter, the 59 millimeter, and the 66 millimeter, which is going to be for your standard 12-ounce Coke cans. So if you're looking to squeeze Coke cans into that little compartment, your best bet's going to be the 66 millimeter. So I'll go ahead and download this guy, and we'll transfer that file and drop it into our Cura slicing software. And we'll take a close look at this guy and see how we can position it so that it will print and adhere to the build plate nice and strong, as we always want a good stick. But if anybody's curious, we're using Ultimaker Cura 4.0. Version 4.0 is the only one that is recommended for an older Apple computer. We're rocking an old iMac that we've had for quite a while, and this is just a really great, easy way to get into 3D printing for us, and it keeps the cost to, an extreme low. I mean, I only paid $100 for this computer. The software for slicing the files is free, and then the printer that we're using is a $100 marketplace purchase, which is the Creality Ender V3 SE. If you're interested in doing your own 3D printing, I'm going to try to do more videos that cover 3D printing, just because I feel like it's one of those things that a lot of people still don't realize how easy it is to do. And it seems pretty complex at first glance, but if I can do it, anybody can do it. Really moving around the cup holder to the best position possible on the build plate is kind of our goal, but unfortunately I kept having issues with it adhering to the build plate. So this is the other file option that we were able to find on Printables, and this one is a 59 millimeter cup holder. It's a little bit smaller than what I was wanting to do initially, but in order to see if this is something that'll even fit in our car, we're going to go ahead and strive and start printing this guy. So hopefully it turns out good. Here's our progress so far. Been multiple attempts, but I figured out that if we put it on this particular side, we're able to print this guy. Got a little bit of stringing, but overall I'm optimistic this will finish up here in the next hour or so, and we can test it out. We're nearing the final stages. Going to have some print lines on the top side, which is a little bit of a downside, but they're looking good so far. And just in case anybody's curious, we're printing at 60 millimeters per second, nozzle temperature at 205, and the bed temperature has been at 60 for the entire build. All right, and it's finally finished. Let's break this thing off. Had a little bit of time to cool. Pops right off the build plate. And other than a little bit of stringing, we can pull that out. I'm excited to see how this thing is going to fit. Moment of truth. Let's see how it fits and if it'll even fit. Oh, almost in there all the way. That's about as far as it'll go. Doesn't sit flush, but hey, a little bit of a pinch point where you push it down. You can see it's raised up here just a tad, but it is nice and smooth right here and flush. And this ideally is great for like a Red Bull can. Right now, with it removed, you can toss a regular can here and it fits just perfectly. I'll use this sparkling water as an example, but as you can see, it barely fits and it doesn't really go forward or backward. Typically, this is good for holding a soda can just fine like that, and works as a cup holder. But it does run the risk of getting knocked loose like that. So we might have to print the slightly larger version, because I know this one is only good for holding pretty much Red Bull cans. As you can see, it doesn't want to go in there. Just sits right on top. But yeah, definitely makes it a nice little upgrade. In terms of appearance, I guess it makes that cubby look just a little bit better, or not. Depends on your preference. I like it as it is, but it's nice to have this insert option to where if I want, it'd be perfect for holding those Red Bull cans. In the E90X series cars, you really only get these two cup holders here and here, and then there's one hiding inside your center console. And so a lot of people, inevitably, they end up putting their drink right here. So this is actually, I think, a pretty nifty thing that you're able to print with your 3D printer. Once again, the file is on printables.com, and there are a couple different options. So if you're looking for a cup holder that needs to go here, that's going to handle those smaller slim cans, then the 59mm is the one you want to print off. Again, this thing fits in here pretty good, and it does fit. I feel like it could be a little bit more flush on this top side here, but overall, I think this is a nice little insert to have for your E90, E92, E93, whatever you're rocking in. As long as you don't have that iDrive attachment here, this should fit in most of your cars. And most of you realize you have this little compartment here, and this is pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and quit rambling. I'll leave it at that for this video, guys. Greatly appreciate y'all watching. What's something else y'all want us to 3D print? Is there something else that you have on your list? Drop a comment down below. What's the next thing we should 3D print for this car? As always, we greatly appreciate you watching our video. Please be sure to give us a thumbs up if you haven't already, and we will see you guys on the next video. Take care.